Well, it's a beautiful morning here in Taranaki, and what better way to spend it than to take the old Eboard out and see how far we can go. Man, that is so strange to see this road just quiet. Definitely need gloves for these cold mornings. I feel like I'm a block of ice right now. The road is definitely getting way sketchier. Gotta keep an eye on it and go around all the bumps, otherwise you're dead. Look how gnarly that is. I think about here's where I'm out. So yeah, made it a long way from home. Didn't take me too long, about 15-20 minutes. I don't know, wonder how far I've come. I've got this longboard tracker app, but it's set to imperial units, so I'm not quite sure. And there we go, done 5 miles, so what's that, 1.6. Done about 7-8 miles. That's a reasonable distance really. So yeah, let's turn around and head back home and see if we can see some epic sights along the way. Oh, hello. Hello. What are you up to? A few little horsies on my left. Alright, time to head home.